Hello guys, welcome back to Purple Snap Reaction. I hope you guys are doing great in your life. So today we are reacting on this video, and this video was suggested by our lovely subscriber.
Yes.
So the title of this video is
TANAH PAPUA, a paradise for birds. This video is from Cornell Lab of Ornithology. The original link is in the description, so please check out. And also, if you didn't subscribe our channel, do subscribe and like our videos. So let's watch the video, then we're gonna talk.
Yes, we'll discuss with you guys. Let's go. Okay guys, 3, 2 and 1. Tanah Papua paradise.
Bird sound. I like.
Yes. Birds chirping.
Forest. Nature.
Yes.
Do you like to live in nature like this?
Yes.
Or you like to live
I
in
love
like
nature.
city?
Kenapa kita datang
I
seperti
like nature a lot.
ini supaya
They are the
kalian
bleachers,
tahu
I
ke
guess.
depan
Yeah.
kita.
Well,
Wow,
oh, I haven't seen this before.
very beautiful.
God.
God has created very beautiful things.
Panekita. I don't know what is it called. Ah, look.
Yes, they have like tails, something.
Red bird.
Red bird. Oh, the name is red bird. Magnificent bird of paradise. Amazing.
Oh.
Rifle bird. How many types of bird is there? Really amazing.
I haven't seen none of them.
Yes. They are really beautiful, pretty.
Look, oh
Yeah.
God.
It doesn't look real. Great bird. Wow. This nature is just great.
Indonesia's land of Papua,
Hmm.
Tanah Papua.
Wow. Yes, Papua.
Consisting of two provinces, Papua supports one of the only remaining large tropical forests in the world.
Oh.
With the Amazon and Congo basins, these forests serve as the lungs of the planet. And in Papua, they are the lifeblood of the people.
Dan yang terutama yang membuat saya sangat terkesan itu karena hutan di Papua itu memberi banyak kehidupan untuk masyarakat di Papua. Jadi sumber kehidupan mereka tuh sebetulnya di hutan.
Papua's geography
God.
contains a variety of ecosystems.
Terrific.
Coasts, mangroves, forests, and mountains that supports roughly half of Indonesia's biodiversity. Over 600 species of
600.
birds are found in Papua,
Wow.
including the birds of paradise,
For
many
sure.
of which live
It's the bird
nowhere
of
else on Earth.
paradise.
Oh.
It's like fighting a
Dan
machine
saya
gun.
belum di Papua, apalagi cendrawasih itu sangat luar biasa, sangat unik, sangat cantik. Nggak bisa dilupakan.
Wow.
The
Man.
birds of paradise are icons of Papua's biodiversity. Their unparalleled
They are
beauty
super.
has made them a symbol of international renown.
Yang burung yang
Bird watching
itu
area.
boleh dorang selalu suka untuk cari-cari di dekat kampung.
Kita dengar ini suara toh, kita dengar suara kalau
So tourists can visit there. They have guides.
kita jalan pas dia punya suara itu baru ketemu ini dia punya sarang.
Global interest in Papua's bird life is leading to increased opportunity for wildlife
Mokwam
tourism,
area.
bringing newfound economic benefits to local communities.
burung-burung yang seperti kakatua raja,
Yeah, I saw
kakatua
this.
putih, rangkong.
Magnificent yang dia main di sini, main di tanah. Kita jalan lagi ketemu ini parotia, oh ini tempatnya main parotia.
God's creation.
Burung yang kita
Yes.
akan panggil khususnya malam itu Papua frogmouth.
Oh,
All.
Banyak serukai lewo otai di no
Green trees.
it's like a movie scene.
Yeah.
Wencap temar neno neno bisa punya tu mije punya tu cerita jam ti jam punya tu hok tu no ko indamnya tu hok tu no kai jam.
Oh, city.
But these forests are no longer isolated from the rest of the world. Demand for timber, palm oil, minerals, and gas has arrived. The future existence of Papua's resources and biodiversity and the communities that rely on them depend on the choices made today.
It doesn't look real.
The governments of Papua and West Papua are bringing together non-government, community, academic, and religious partners to create a sustainable pathway for development.
Adik-adik yang kecil bilang jangan potong ini, jangan tebang kayu itu karena guna untuk burung untuk bawa uang.
Looking to the sky.
There are plenty of examples of ecosystems destroyed by overexploitation. With its forests still intact, Papua has the opportunity to develop in a way that allows both its people and its environment to
I
thrive.
think we saw it before in our
Keindahan yang
previous
di
videos.
Raja Ampat khususnya di Saporgren itu
Raja
sangat
Ampat.
indah sekali.
I think that's the same.
Recent successes in the marine environments of the Raja Ampat region of West Papua show that development and conservation can go hand in hand. Within the forests, local leaders are organizing their communities with similar goals.
Jadi yang guna untuk kita ada 3 hal yang lebih penting untuk kita. 1, hutan. 2, konservasi. 3, pariwisata. Yang penting kita jaga burung baik-baik. Mereka lihat jawang itu langsung. Ini mereka kasih di ini kita punya kampung.
The forests, the birds, and the communities make this region unique and irreplaceable.
Of course, unique.
Kalau hutan di Papua harus hancur, masyarakat di Papua itu sudah tidak punya apa-apa lagi. Jadi kehidupan mereka dan harta mereka itu adalah di hutan.
As the lungs of the planet,
This
tropical
scenery, this
forests
view is
are an important buffer against our
something
changing
else.
climate. If Papua's ecosystems are
very
degraded,
great.
the effects will be felt not just locally, but across the world.
Arfak ini berguna sekali untuk masa depan.
Indonesia is a
Through
land of
collaborative
mystery,
leadership,
a land
achieving
of beauty,
sustainable growth, maintaining the livelihood
Very
of local
beautiful.
communities,
the
and
wonderful
protecting
Indonesia.
globally significant biodiversity are possible for TANAH PAPUA
It's amazing.
and all of humanity.
People are so lucky.
Yes, to be
Still.
here.
Alam Papua sangat-sangat indah. Jadi saya minta kepada masyarakat Papua umumnya, mari kita jaga negeri kita yang indah ini. Sehingga ke depan anak cucu kita akan menikmati apa yang kita rasakan hari ini dan seterusnya.
We do not understand the
Mari
language.
No, it
Kita-
looks totally different.
Yes.
konservasi
I think they talk in
ada di
Sunda or
Papua.
Yes,
Oh,
in their
language.
local language.
Yeah.
Yes. So that was great. Really great.
Guys, that was the video. It was really amazing, really informative for both of us.
Yes.
And we really enjoyed for watching this video. It was totally new for us. We reacted for many videos about Indonesia, like nature, places, beaches, and this was really totally new for us. And I haven't seen. Have you seen any of those birds yet?
course not,
I haven't seen. Yeah, that was totally new for us. I didn't know this kind of bird exist in this world.
It was really different for us, a paradise for birds. So that's why it's the title. Like, there is many species of bird that you didn't even see before in your life. So it was really great to see very beautiful birds that you become speechless what to say, and it was really good.
The people are so lucky who lives there,
who lives there, who visits there as a tourist. And we also said in our previous videos that Indonesia is a really beautiful country, a land of mystery, the land of beauty, and that was great, guys. And
we have seen a few cities. We wish to visit all Indonesia.
So one day we're gonna visit. And that was it, guys. It was really great to see this video. Thanks to whoever suggested us this video, and thanks for you all for supporting us. If you have any suggestion, please make sure to write in the comment section. We read your comments, we would surely react on them. And if you liked our video, please make sure to like our video and subscribe our channel. We're gonna see you in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself and goodbye.